children of the earth, smiling as the stars shine bright. Mountains sing, the rivers laugh, the moon glows soft at night. Hey ya, clap your hands, dance along, come join the fun. Nature is our family, under moon and under sun.
Friendly deer and playful fox, running through the winter snow. Owls go hoo and eagles soar where the gentle breezes blow.
Hey ya, stomp your feet, hear the rhythm of the land. Drums go boom and hearts go bright, sing together hand in hand. Listen to the stories told of brave hearts and kindness true. Sharing food and helping friends, that's what good kids always do.